What's good, YouTube? It's the OG back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. I'm almost at 6,000 subscribers. I'm doing a $100 giveaway. As soon as we hit 6,000 subscribers, I'm like, maybe 4 or 5 subscribers shy from being there. I could be wrong, but I think that's it. But anyway, I got a few things in I wanted to share with you guys real quick. So I'm going to start off with this one right here. Got some more leather gloves. Oh yeah, these are nice. These are nice. Oh yeah. Yep. Suede inside. You know, I'm not gonna lie. When I seen them, these is not what I really ordered. I mean, it looked like these, but hell, it is what it is. I ain't gonna even worry about it. They nice, that's all that matter, you know. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Sit tight. Green fitted. I was trying to find the one with the D on it, but to go with my shoes and fit, the only one they had was this one right here. 8. It's New York. Yeah, this is alright. Definitely gonna make it do what it do. Let's see what else I got over here. Sit tight. Let me crack this open. My address and stuff down here. Not that I get too shit to my address, because I wish a nigga would. Or anybody else. Oh, it's a real talk. You come around here, you better be coming correct. But good thing I don't have those problems. I'm an old man now. I can see if I was young. Got a D hat. I needed this all black fitted D hat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, buddy. I don't do those snapbacks because my head too damn with my locks. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what came in. Black leather gloves. Green New York Yankees hat, and a black D fitted. Both of these are fitteds. You know. Alright, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can get this giveaway going on. It's the OG. I'm going to get up out of here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.